So what is a contingency fee contract? It's a very common contract used by personal injury attorneys such as myself that's very advantageous for people that are involved in a wreck. Why is it good for y'all? Well, it's good because it does not require any money up front. Most lawyers you try to hire, it costs money to hire them. In fact, you got to usually pay the bill in full before the work is even performed. Think of a criminal lawyer or somebody that drafts a will, or if you're getting a divorce. All those lawyers require money up front. Injury lawyers, such as myself, do not require any money up front. We are paid through a contract. It's called a contingent fee contract, which usually it's a percentage. Let's take a third, a very common percentage used for injury cases. So at the end of a case, the lawyer is paid 1/3 of the recovery, but nothing until then. So it takes no money to hire a lawyer. It starts off here at my firm with a free consultation. So you show up either on the phone, Zoom, or in person. Don't bring your checkbook, don't bring your credit card. We don't want your money. We want to hear about your claim. We want to give you a plan. We want to tell you what we can do to help you out, and you make a decision. We'll present a contract to you, a contingent fee contract, which spells out our percentage. Again, you don't have to pay us anything, and we're your lawyers, and we start working on your case immediately. We don't get paid. If we have this case for 2 years, we don't get paid a dime in this 2 years. At the end of the case, when we can successfully resolve it, which means you're happy, we finally convinced the insurance company to do the right thing, they pay us the money, we are paid at that time and not until that time. In addition to the set percentage, we also get our expenses back. Expenses are items that basically we write check for. You don't have to pay us anything up front for those expenses or for our time. At the end, we get a contingent fee. How much we get is contingent upon the recovery. 1/3 of 10,000, or if it's 100,000, we get 1/3 of 100,000, and we also get our expenses back. But not until we settle the case and resolve it to your satisfaction do we get paid anything. And if in the end, for some reason, and this is highly unlikely, that we recover no money, then you don't owe us, as our client, you don't owe us for anything because we didn't recover anything for you. So you are not out any money for the lawyer. Any expenses that this law firm expended on behalf, we would just write those off. We expect to be successful. We only take cases that we intend to win and we can win. And at the end of the case, we expect to be able to pay us the percentage and pay you what is due and owing for what you've gone through, your pain and suffering, your lost wages, all of that, all your damages that you've gone through. That's what we're shooting for, is to get you fully compensated.